Hello and welcome to this new course in which you will learn how to control your Arduino board using a JavaScript browser-based approach. Now, most of you know Arduino, and you know that to control Arduino using a web browser or using any interfacing other than the Arduino software is a very complex job. In this course, we will make this more simple. I will teach you how you can write few JavaScript codes and use your own browser, the one that you already have, to send commands to your Arduino board and to receive commands from your Arduino board. So it will be a two-way communication, and we won't use any Wi-Fi module or a web module that will turn Arduino into an ESP board or an Internet of Things based board. We will just use the Arduino board, a USB cable, and a web browser with a few lines of codes. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team, and in this course I will teach you something that will give your Arduino board superpower: the ability to combine Arduino or physical computing with browser technologies can give designers and anyone superpower to prototype awesome experience faster. Not only faster, but also easier and cheaper. In the past, Arduino was usually connected to processing software, which is a very well-known software, and we have some courses explaining how to interface Arduino and processing together to generate interactive art, products, or services. While this is still a widely used way to connect Arduino to a computer, connecting to a browser can give a wider range of opportunity and requires less installation. Connecting Arduino to a web browser was, however, still a pain to create. You had to create WebSockets and a server on the device, but now with this serial API, you can connect to any serial device from the browser with the click of a button. There is no additional installation and setup required, and it's a fast and easy method. One huge benefit is that software that runs in the browser is easy to share and execute on various devices and operating systems. This system should work with any Arduino that has a serial connection to the computer. Right now, only Google Chrome, which is the most widely used web browser, support the web serial interface that we are going to use, and this feature can be enabled, and we will explain how to enable it in your browser in this course. But more browsers will follow in the near future. But for now, I think that Chrome web browser and Edge support these features. Now, let's talk a little about what you will learn in this course. First, you will learn how using JavaScript with Arduino will give your Arduino superpowers. And you will learn how to control your browser using your Arduino board without any additional modules, how to interface Arduino with your computer via JavaScript coding, why you should use JavaScript and browser technologies to control Arduino boards. After that, we will talk a little about Arduino coding process. We will write a few lines of codes and upload them to our Arduino board to make it ready to receive and send command to our computer web browser. Then we will cover JavaScript coding to control Arduino, and you will learn how to interface Arduino with your device, which is a laptop or computer, and connect a simple circuit. We will also talk about some practical application examples. I know that this course will be very useful and very helpful. You will learn a lot of things. You don't need any background in JavaScript. We will explain the line of codes that you need to use, and you can replicate what we are doing and do the same on your own. Thanks for watching this introduction. See you inside.